Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys how to make dark spots, pigmentation and acne scars removal cream. So this cream has potato and tomato as its main ingredient, and both tomato and potato are the best known ingredient to treat skin pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and dark spots from your skin. They removes the dark spots and pigmentation problem completely and makes your skin supremely spotless, glowing and clear. This homemade cream will also help in skin brightening and skin tightening, and is also an anti-aging treatment to fade away all the wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin, and will make your skin supremely ageless, youthful, bright, glowing, clear and spotless. So now let's see how to make this homemade tomato and potato cream. So to prepare this cream, you firstly gonna need 2 tomatoes, and here I'm just taking these 2 tomatoes and cutting them into 2 halves just like so. And now we'll use a grater to grate these tomatoes. So basically we have to take tomato pulp out of these tomatoes, and for that you can also blend these tomatoes into a blending jar and make a smooth pulp out of it, but I'm using this grating method to take out all the tomato pulp out of tomatoes. So now after grating all these tomatoes, my homemade tomato pulp is ready and it will look something like this. And now using a strainer, we'll strain this tomato pulp to take out all the tomato juice out of this tomato pulp. So now after squeezing all the tomato pulp, your homemade tomato juice is ready and it will look something like this. This tomato juice should be really fine as I'm showing you in the video. So you just have to take approx 1 to 2 teaspoons of tomato juice in a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need potato juice, and to make this potato juice, you only gonna need 1 potato. So here I'm just taking this 1 potato and cutting it into 2 halves. And now we have to grate this potato, and for that I'm just using this grater and I'm just grating this potato really nicely. So now after grating the potato well, your homemade potato paste will look something like this. And now we'll take out potato juice out of it, and for that I'm just using this strainer and now putting all this potato paste into this strainer and squeezing it well to take out all the potato juice out of this potato paste. So now after squeezing out all the potato juice out of this grated potatoes, your homemade potato juice is ready and it will look something like this. So now I'm adding approx 2 teaspoons of this potato juice into this tomato juice, and after adding both these juices, we just have to give a good mix to both of them so that they combine with each other nicely. Next up, you're gonna need olive oil, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil into it. After that, you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. And after adding the glycerin, now it's time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, just mix until it forms into a creamy and a fluffy consistency. And if you think that the cream is not becoming fluffy and creamy, then add more aloe vera gel into it to make it a fluffy and a creamy cream. So now after mixing really well, your homemade dark spots and pigmentation removal cream is ready and it will look something like this. This homemade cream has tomato and potato as its main ingredients, and both these ingredients are supremely well known for treating acne scars, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and dark spots from your skin. It also helps in skin brightening, skin lightening and in even toning your skin. This cream also helps in removing all signs of premature aging like wrinkles and fine lines, and will fade away all the aging signs from your skin and will make your skin really spotless, clear, glowing, ageless and supremely bright. Potatoes are really good ingredients to treat skin pigmentation, dark spots and acne scars from your skin. The nutrients in starch also helps to boost collagen production, thereby improving your overall skin health, and they also have skin bleaching and skin lightening effect into it, which will make your skin really bright and glowing. So this cream is highly effective. So if you have pigmentation or dark spots marks on your skin, then you can use this cream. And if you don't have any pigmentation, dark spots, marks on your skin, then also you can use this cream because it also helps in skin brightening, skin tightening. It will remove all the aging signs from your skin like wrinkles and fine lines, and in making your skin complexion really bright, glowing, and supremely hydrated and moisturized, and will help you in rejuvenating your skin from within. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for best use. So you can store this cream in any airtight container, and here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight jar, and you can store it in any airtight jar or container in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you can use this cream as you normally use any other cream. Just take a generous amount of this cream onto your fingers and then apply it onto your skin, and then just massage it into your skin so that your skin deeply absorbs this cream and gives you really glowy and nourishing look. And once your skin completely absorbs this cream, just leave it like that, and you can use this cream as a night cream or as a day cream. And if you're using it as a day cream, then do apply sunscreen after using this cream. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.